What's going on YouTube? Bad Disturb back with another video for you guys. And today I went to a local car meet, local car show in my area, and it was pretty much raining all morning, so I didn't get anything of the car show. Sorry about that, but there wasn't very many people that showed up, and I'm talking like under 50 people. So I didn't film any of that, plus it was raining all morning. When it finally dried out and everybody got their trophies and stuff, which we did bring home a trophy. But anyway, they had a burnout competition, and I did film some of that for you guys. The Mopar Nationals Part 2, we lost all the video footage that I had. So the last video where I was at Mopar Nationals, that was supposed to be a part 2, but they will not be a part 2 because we lost all our footage because the computer that we edit our videos with decided to crash. So sorry about that. There's a lot of things and popping up, and if you guys follow the Bad Disturb Facebook page, that is the reason why I asked everyone, do you guys really watch these videos? Do you really enjoy them? Because I honestly wanted to know if you really do enjoy them, and if you really do appreciate, everything that I show. I mean, it does take a lot of time to edit a video, and I'm not getting paid in any way to do this. I do it because for the love of the car, and I'm a car enthusiast. I love Mopar. I always love Mopar. Mopar is number one to me. But it's always Mopar, no car with me. But that's the reason why I was asking. I got a little bit of frustration, and I was thinking about shutting the channel down. I really was. I'm just going to be honest. And I was about fed up with it, and was going to just start making memes every once in a while on the Bad Disturb Facebook page. But since I had a pretty good support line behind me, when I asked that on the Bad Disturb Facebook page, a lot of people said they enjoy it. They like to watch the videos, so I'll continue making videos for you guys. I've been making videos for the last 2 years, and we're at 520 subscribers, and I really appreciate that. I really do. It means a lot to me. I'm looking to get to 600 subscribers here soon. Hopefully we can hit that goal, hopefully by the end of the year. So if you guys would, to help me, to help support the channel in any way you can, is to like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. But anyway, guys, enough of me talking. Let's get into this video. There's not really much footage that I had because my phone was overheating. A lot of issues today. I'm really sorry of the lack of videos and everything, but we'll start rolling them out this winter because we got to tear down Bry's silver SRT4, and we're going to be tearing down the blue SRT4. So there's a lot of videos coming your way. Let's get in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Bad Disturb, Mopar No Car. I'll see you guys in the next video.